All right, what's going on, guys? So, got a package in the mail. I'm going to show y'all right quick. But first, roll that intro. Hope you guys like that little intro I put together. So this is going to be a true unboxing. So I can show y'all what I got in the mail today. Still got this this brown box here. Trusty butter knife, don't judge me. Ugh. All right. So in this box, I have Galaxy Buds Pro. If you've been watching my channel for a minute, about probably 3 months ago, I got the Buds Plus, which are right here. So I had to upgrade because my Buds Plus just I don't know if they went out on me or whatever the case may be, because with the volume up all the way, I can barely hear. I even reset them to the default settings and see if that'll fix it, but unfortunately it didn't. So I need some headphones, especially for work with the job I do. So I decided to get some new ones. So the Buds Pro, they actually come in 3 different colors, with the new Galaxy S21 that just came out. So they come in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Violet. I got the silver variant because my phone is borderline silver. It's space gray, but I call it silver. So let's go ahead and take a look. See what we got here on the back of the box here. It says 2-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and IPX7. I believe it's dust resistance and or water. Let's go ahead and get this box open. Oh, here we go. There we go. Had a little difficulty there. All right, so this is what's in the box here. So this is the case. It's actually a matte finish this time, instead of the glossy, shiny finish with the Buds Plus. A quick story about the Buds Plus here. So this case won't close all the way. I think because I don't know if I had it in my lap, but I stood up and it fell down. But yeah, I decided to replace the whole thing. Plus my headphones were going out, so yeah. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. So this is these are nice. These are very nice. And over here you got some extra ear tips here, so these will come in handy. So these are a lot bigger than the Buds Plus. It looks like they got rid of the wing tips, so I'm interested to see how these fit in my ears. The case looks like it's probably dead because the light is red. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, let's test the magnets out on this thing. Yeah, so these are not going to come out. Oh yeah, so the magnets on this are very, very good. Case is snappy. Got the USB Type-C port on the back. So, give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get these paired up, and we'll go from there. Talk some more. All right, so I have them in my ears now. So yeah, they're way more comfortable than the Buds Plus. The Buds Plus actually hurt my ears after a while. Even with the new ear tips I'd replaced them with, it really destroyed the inside of my ears. So it got really uncomfortable after a while. but these are quite comfortable. They're pretty incognito too, actually, especially if you put like a hat on or something. Yeah, these are very, very comfortable. And they won't fall out my ear. That was another problem I had with the Buds Plus. They would fall out my ear quite a bit, even just by tilting my head like this. So the fit on those, they weren't, you know, they weren't as decent as these. But yeah, shaking my head, they're not even budging. So that's absolutely amazing. So the comfort level on these is absolutely phenomenal. So we're gonna do the sound test, which is the most important part. So stand by. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pair up the Galaxy Buds Pro here. The Galaxy Wearable app just recently had a software update to include the Buds Pro. So we're gonna go into the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app. Gonna add new device. Say add. With the Buds Pro. Scan for wearable devices. Buds Pro. Say OK. Agree. You're all set. So that was simple, quick, and easy. Now these actually came fully charged this time. The Buds Plus, not sure if you can hear me because I think they connect to the Bluetooth. But yeah, the Buds Plus came pretty much dead actually, so that was interesting. But yeah, so these are all your noise controls. So you got your active noise cancellation and your ambient sound. So I'm going to play around with those. Got your equalizer here. These have bass boost on it. So the Buds Plus didn't even have those on it. So that's a plus. And all these other settings are pretty much the same. So I'm going to go ahead and give these a sound test. All right. So I had the buds in my ears. We can't really tell because my hat's covering them. So that's how small they are. But yeah. So gonna do I'm gonna take my hat off right quick and do a running test right quick. See, they're not falling out my ears at all. Nope, they're not falling out my ears. Just standing by a busy street right quick, and you can barely hear the cars at all. So these block out noise like quite well. Let's run back. Yeah, so I like these a lot. They're not even budging in my ears. They're not budging in my ears at all. So these are definitely perfect for, like, you know, exercising in, running, stuff like that. So yeah, these are a go for exercise. All right, I'm back inside. So the verdict: should you upgrade from the Galaxy Buds Plus to the Buds Pro? Absolutely. Just for the comfort alone. The sound is so much better and crisper. The noise canceling is, you know, for a pair of earbuds, these do the job. And these are about, you know, $199. It's about $200, so it's definitely worth it. But yeah, it's definitely worth the upgrade if you have the regular Buds or even the Buds Pro. I can't speak on the Buds Live because I've never had them, but y'all got to get these. These are absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, so that's my unboxing slash little review of the Galaxy Buds Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, other than that, until the next video, and you guys have a good one.